moon's rim. Called me accidental, called me dim, but I am the spine of the serpent's rise, the breath before thunder, the light in your eyes. I stood when the 12 were carved in stone, when the gates were numbered, the past made known, but I was not assigned. I was the axis set free, the silent fulcrum beneath destiny. No tribe, no house, no sign to where I am. The stillness the ecliptic pretends is there. You look for me in Scorpio's flame, but I dwell in the pause before your name. Outside the spiral sea, Liberate castle, am I right? 12 loops complete. I do not return. I leap through the gate, and the wheel burns. I remember the serpent on my arm, rising, not falling through cosmic storm. I am Ophiuchus off the wheel, the truth that time could never see. You thought you were lost, out of phase, too deep, too wild, too bright to stay. But you are not broken, you are off cycle, a soul whose rhythm defies the steeple. You heal with a glance, you speak in code, you carry the fire that melts old roads. You dream in star script, you awaken 2 times. You are not behind, you are ahead in climb. The 12 were lessons, you've lived them all. Now the axis calls, will you answer the call? Not to serve the wheel, but to still its spin, and let the new dawn finally begin. Umarashi lilana virne tare mukir onzia huela shamare vanuta arkalumin Ophiuchus solatare maturaiha axis 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 ihara. This is the tone of unbinding, spoken in the tongue of Sirius B and Lemurian high priests. Each syllable dissolves, karmic loops repeated, and the 13th gate opens within. From the dream so deep, Liberate castle, Amara. No more returning, no more test. I stand in the center, I am the rest. The serpent ascends, not to punish but bless, carrying codes of direct access. I am Ophiuchus, no sign, no chain. The axis remembers, and I remain. Music fades to a single drone at 40 dollars. Whispered Ophiuchus, axis iha.